In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively manage your emails on Proton Mail using Chrome. This guide is perfect for anyone looking to declutter their inbox and ensure that only the most vital communications are preserved. So let's dive right in. First things first, we'll start by opening Proton Mail in your Chrome browser. Simply navigate to the Proton Mail website and log into your account using your credentials. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by your familiar inbox interface. Now this is where we'll begin our organizational journey. The next step is to head over to your inbox. Here, take a moment to scan through the emails and identify those that are unnecessary or can be deleted. Pay special attention to emails with large attachments, as these can quickly consume your allocated storage space. As you identify these emails, go ahead and delete them by clicking the delete icon. This small action is your first step toward a cleaner, more organized email account. Now, let's move on to the trash folder. Remember, emails that are in the trash are not yet permanently deleted. You'll need to empty this folder to ensure the emails are completely removed from your storage quota. To do this, navigate to the trash folder in the left-hand menu. Once there, you should see an option to empty the trash. Click on it, and with that simple action, you've just freed up a significant amount of space in your Proton Mail storage. Next, direct your attention to the spam folder. Just like your inbox and trash, this folder can accumulate unwanted emails that take up space. Review the contents of your spam folder, and if you're sure they're all unwanted or irrelevant, feel free to empty it by following the same procedure as with the trash folder. This step not only cleans out space, but also ensures that you're not mistakenly overlooking any important emails that might have been marked as spam by mistake. As you clean up your email folders, it's essential to think about preserving important information. Consider archiving important emails offline to save them without using up your Proton Mail storage. You can do this by exporting important emails to a file on your computer or a storage service you trust. While Proton Mail offers robust security features, having an offline backup gives you another layer of security and peace of mind. By doing these simple tasks, you contribute significantly to managing your emails effectively. A clutter-free inbox isn't just visually pleasing, it's a robust step toward efficient digital management. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope these tips help keep your Proton Mail organized and efficient. Until next time.